Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine, and I'll just note that the gauge is off. The pressure is more about 1 bar. I tested it with another gauge that I have that I put on top of the machines. Looks like this. It's a cap that goes in the top of the machine. And yeah, it's closer to 1 bar. I actually had to adjust it. It was a bit low, and yeah, I saw low steam pressure. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. So yeah, you can see we're getting really good crema here. And if you're not getting good crema, usually the main reason is, well, the gaskets are bad in your machine, and or if you have a new machine or a newly repaired machine, then it's usually because the coffee is either old or you don't have a grinder that grinds fine enough, especially if the coffee is just shooting through the water is shooting through the coffee really fast. Tastes good. So, nice strong steam. Leaks a little bit there. This one has the tip is, I can see that it's stripped, and I try to tighten it, but can't really get it any more tight. And that's about it. So thank you for repairing with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.